umoroberio bugotumika Emitandao bugosangereria na kumongera chindemero unenchereyemo yokogacha obosaiti ase Emitandao.
Emitandao iyo obekwa ase elaba nigo ogocha gosira oboremi amagana ye county ya bose amagana ali arengete obo chindemero noboremi kwanikyo gosangereria ebango na kumongera chiskuru ne chinyagitari.
Lero iga kotobwate abantu bakorwa asakoro kwa FAO, Food and Branch Organization. Ebintu bibiko GIS lab. Yani bigo tokonya komoreka kire gento mnakagenderete nabo komoreka keroka nabo komoreka ikonga ora chiduka mna chichitaraka ne bango chikomoreka ebintu bnebyo. Naibacha kwandova mbato netetie bintu bya 30 million bya very installed tate Kobeka byanza okolegasi igasa matuka makaye wiki ya mose ibele tata ikobekwa naboko nyora tokomonta kilo monto wetera GIS lab na kieke bacha batande riova tuasainire na kire gento nande toko bakira biamono ase umusaado oyo nande bagenda tokonya mumatengo tokonya barasoboremi na koroisi industrial park muinoga igo tokubabori bagendere negasi yengia.
I'm very glad to be in Nyamira County today and very glad to His Excellency and the county government of Nyamira for the good collaboration that we've had with them, not only on the area of land but even on the side of agriculture, just the productivity aspects that we also push. All this is in the effort to make sure that we enhance the food and nutrition security in the entire Republic of Kenya. Now, on our effort to do the same, FAO partnered with the European Union, through which we have some funding that we've been able to use in the area of land governance. As you know, land is one key factor of production. And so when we really iron out areas and issues around land, the tenure security, then we should be able to free up this important factor of production so that it is used where it should be. And that will enhance the issue of food and nutrition security. So through the land governance program, the digital land governance program, we are supporting all the 47 counties that already we put in the GIS laboratory. And one of the things that you see there is that you will be able to plan. That is the most important thing. With this lab, the county will be able to plan its issues of food and nutrition security, where production is taking place, where it's not taking place, the reasons behind the same, and then you put this in your plan for this year, for the following year, and the years to come.